अस्सलाम वालेकुम एस्पिरेंट्स, वेलकम बैक। आज के इस लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करेंगे फरवरी के नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल करंट अफेयर्स को। ठीक है, ये एमसीक्यूज़ की फॉर्म में है ताकि अगर आपका एमसीक्यूज़ आता है एमपीटी में या कहीं भी तो आपके लिए आसानी हो। तो शुरू करते हैं। On February 15 dash First Minister Nicola Sturgeon announced her resignation. Scotland's, Ireland's, New Zealand's, Finland's. The right answer is Scotland's. On February 13, Dash announced to send Rihanna Barnaby as its first ever woman astronaut on a space mission later this year. Qatar, UAE, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia. The right answer is Saudi Arabia. On February 13, Wu Jibing became the first Dash man to win an ATP Tour title. South Korean, Japanese, Chinese, Mongolian. The right answer is Chinese. On February 12, Dash voters elected the former Foreign Minister Nikos Christodoulides as the next president of the small European Union member state. Finland, Cyprus, Latvia, Lithuania. The right answer is Cyprus. On February 11, Dash lifted the Club World Cup for a record fifth time. Barcelona, Arsenal, Newcastle Jets, Real Madrid. The right answer is Real Madrid. On February 10, the European Union summit in Daesh reached an agreement on a principle under which one European Union country can use a court decision in another European Union member state to return irregular migrants to his/her home country. Rome, Paris, Brussels, Athens. The right answer is Brussels. On February 8, former German Chancellor Angela Merkel received a Dash Peace Prize for her decision to welcome more than 1.2 million migrants to Germany. UNHCR, UNESCO, Lisbon, Sakharov. The right answer is UNESCO. On February 7, Gary Ballance became only the second Test batsman after Kepler Wessels to score a century for two countries, Ireland's, New Zealand's, South Africa's, Zimbabwe's. The right answer is Zimbabwe's. The magnitude of the powerful earthquake that hit Turkey and Syria on February 6 was 6.7, 6.8, 7.1, 7.8. The right answer is 7.8. On February 4, the U.S. Attorney General Merrick Garland authorized the United States to begin using seized Dash money to aid Ukraine. Iraqi, Afghan, Russian, Iranian. The right answer is Russian. On February 2, Dash announced to erase the British monarch from its banknotes. Fiji, Australia, Barbados, Canada. The right answer is Australia. On February 2, the US and Dash announced a deal to give US troops access to another four bases in the Southeast Asian nation, the Philippines, Japan, Thailand, South Korea. The right answer is the Philippines. On February 1, India proposed Dash rupees in defense spending for the 2023-24 financial year, 13% up from the previous period's initial estimates. 5.94 trillion, 6.72 trillion, 7.23 trillion, 12.15 trillion. The right answer is 5.94 trillion. On February 1, the European Commission appointed Dash its new coordinator on combating anti-Muslim hatred. Gary Balance, Lubomir Strogel, Marian Lellis, Peko Rabani. The right answer is Marian Lellis. On February 15, Dash became the first Pakistani player to hit a T20 Women's International century. Nadia Kazmi, Bisma Maroof, Muniba Ali, Shaista Ali. The right answer is Muniba Ali. On Dash, legendary theatre and film actor, literary orator, and mentor to many actors Ya Muhyiddin passed away. February 11, February 12, February 13, February 14. The right answer is February 13. The current chairman Nadra, who has been appointed the head of the UN's Committee on Digital Transformation in Pakistan is Dash Osman Mubin, Tariq Malik, Ataur Rahman, Tariq Qadri. The right answer is Tariq Malik. The eighth edition of the National Multinational Maritime Exercise Aman 23, in which over 15 navies participated, kicked off on Dash Feb 10, Feb 12, Feb 12, Feb 13. The right answer is Feb 10. On Dash, India issued a notice to Islamabad seeking changes in the Indus Waters Treaty of 1960. Feb 8, Feb 9, Feb 10, Feb 11. The right answer is Feb 8. On Feb 3, Pakistan and Dash signed the Convention for the Avoidance of Double Taxation. Russia, China, Tajikistan, or Afghanistan? The right answer is Afghanistan. The current Attorney General for Pakistan is Dash Salman Aslam Butt, Ashtar Osaf Ali, Khalid Javed Khan, Shehzad Ata Ilahi. The right answer is Shehzad Ata Ilahi. On Feb 2, PM Shehbaz Sharif inaugurated K3, the third unit of Karachi nuclear power plant that will produce dead megawatts of electricity. 1000, 1100, 1200, 2000. The right answer is 1100. On February 1, People's Pink Bus Service, Pakistan's first women only bus service, was launched in Dash, Multan, Lahore, Hyderabad, Karachi. The right answer is Karachi. On Feb 1, the federal government posted Imdadullah Bosal as Chief Secretary Dash, KP, Punjab, Sindh, Azad Jammu Kashmir. The right answer is KP. The Best FIFA Women's Player Prize for 2022 has been awarded to Dash Alexia Portals, Spain's, Argentina's, Croatia's, France. The right answer is Spain's. On Feb 28, Dash won the Best FIFA Men's Player Prize for 2022. Neymar, Lionel Messi, Mo Salah, Kylian Mbappe. The right answer is Lionel Messi. On Dash, Britain and European Union agreed on a sweeping overhaul of trade rules in Northern Ireland. Feb 20, Feb 24, Feb 27, Feb 28. The right answer is Feb 27. The team that holds the record for the lowest score in a T20 men's match is Dash UAE, Turkey, Nepal, Isle of Man. The right answer is Isle of Man. The lowest ever total in the history of men's T20 cricket is Dash runs 10, 15, 21, 28. The right answer is 10. On Feb 26, Dash hosted a meeting between top Israeli and Palestinian officials to try to halt surging violence. Jordan, UAE, Egypt, Qatar. The right answer is Jordan. On Feb 26, Australia won the Women's T20 World Cup for the Dash time, beating South Africa in the final. 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. The right answer is 6th. On Feb 23, President Biden nominated Dash as a candidate to lead the World Bank. David Malpass, MS Banga, Ajay Banga, Robert Selander. The right answer is Ajay Banga. On Feb 23, On Feb 23, the Dash voted overwhelmingly to demand Russia immediately and unconditionally withdraw its troops from Ukraine. ICJ, UNGA, HRW, EU. The right answer is UNGA, yani United Nations General Assembly. On Feb 21, President Putin suspended Moscow's participation in the New START, a nuclear arms treaty with Dash, Canada, USA, France, Germany. The right answer is USA. US President Joe Biden paid an unannounced visit to Ukraine on Dash, Feb 17, Feb 18, Feb 19, Feb 20. The right answer is Feb 20. On Feb 20, the Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida announced a fresh financial support worth $5.5 billion for Dash, India, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Ukraine. The right answer is Ukraine. On Feb 20, the UAE and Dash revealed their first jointly created unmanned vessel. Israel, China, Saudi Arabia, India. The right answer is Israel. As per the US Space Agency, the most challenging threat to the US in space is dash. Turkey, India, China, Russia. The right answer is China. On Feb 18, Dash captain Ben Stokes made the record for most sixes struck in Test cricket. Australia, South Africa, West Indies, England. The right answer is England. On Feb 18, the Munich Security Conference was held in Dash, Greece, Italy, Germany, Austria. The right answer is Germany. On Feb 17, Twitter Inc. shut down of its three offices in Dash, Turkey, India, UAE, China. The right answer is India. On Feb 16, the Abrahamic family house encompassing a mosque, a church, and a synagogue opened in Dash, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Doha, Riyadh. The right answer is Abu Dhabi. On Dash, PM Shehbaz Sharif inaugurated Schools on Wheels project. Feb 26, Feb 27, Feb 28, March 1. The right answer is Feb 28. On Feb 28, Dash was appointed the federal ombudsperson for protection against harassment at workplace, replacing Kashmala Tariq, Tahira Nazir, Fozia Wakar, Misbah Afridi, Alia Nawaz. The right answer is Fozia Wakar. On Feb 25, Sabahat Rizvi was elected as the first woman dash of the Lahore High Court Bar Association. President, Secretary, Vice President, none of these. The right answer is Secretary. On Feb 25, the amount of BISP stipends was increased by dash 10%, 20%, 25%, 33%. The right answer is 25%. Zahir Shah, who was appointed the acting chairman of NAB on Feb 24, was previously serving as its dash Director Law, MD, DG Karachi, Deputy Chairman. The right answer is Deputy Chairman. On Feb 24, the LHC Rawalpindi bench restored district status of dash Jhelum, Attak, Chakwal, Murree. The right answer is Murree. The current managing director of the Oil and Gas Development Company Limited is dash Muhammad Amir Salim, Muhammad Anas Farooq, Ahmad Hayat Lak, Shehzad Safdar. The right answer is Ahmad Hayat Lak. On Feb 22, the Dash High Court banned felling trees in educational institutions. Lahore, Islamabad, Peshawar, Sindh. The right answer is Lahore. A Pakistani delegation led by Defense Minister Khawaja Muhammad Asif met the Taliban leadership in Kabul on Dash Feb 22, Feb 23, Feb 24, Feb 25. The right answer is Feb 22. On Feb 21, chairman of Dash Aftab Sultan resigned. NEPRA, NAB, OGRA, PEMRA. The right answer is NAB. On Feb 20, Rear Admiral Dash assumed the command of the Pakistan fleet. Musaddiq Abbasi, Syed Munir Ahmad, Muhammad Faisal Abbasi, Kalimullah Siddiqui. The right answer is Muhammad Faisal Abbasi. On Dash, the National Assembly passed the Finance Supplementary Bill 2023, Feb 17, Feb 18, Feb 19, Feb 20. So the right answer is Feb 20. On Feb 19, the river Dash was successfully diverted following completion of one of the two diversion tunnels for the under construction Dasu hydropower project. Indus, Chenab, Jhelum, Kabul. The right answer is Indus. On Dash, a 330 megawatt power plant based on Therkol began commercial operations Feb 15, Feb 16, Feb 17, Feb 18. So the right answer is Feb 17. The Sindh government has recently inaugurated the intra-district people's bus service in Dash, Larkana, Karachi, Hyderabad, Sakhar. So the right answer is Sakhar. ECO, the therapeutic device that is recently won Better World Project competition has been made by Dash, LUMS, NUST, PU, COMSARS. The right answer is NUST. On Feb 26, Mohsin Laghari of Dash won the by-election to NN 193 Rajanpur. PTI, People's Party, PMLN, TLP. PTI is the right answer. On Feb 17, a contingent of Pakistan Air Force participated in the exercise Spears of Victory 2023, which concluded in Dash, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Germany. The right answer is Saudi Arabia. The UN Security Council held its first ever meeting on the threat to international peace and security from rising sea levels on dash Feb 12, Feb 13, Feb 14, Feb 15. So the right answer is Feb 15 and that's it for today. I hope कि सारे पॉइंट्स सारी चीज़ें क्लियर हो गई हैं. स्टिल कोई कन्फ्यूजन है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछें.